Assalamuallaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and here we have a travel vlog to the Royal Opera House and Al Qurum Beach. So let's get going. Both of them are situated in Oman, in Muscat. Royal Opera House. Let's see how it looks. But unfortunately, the Royal Opera House was closed, but the Opera Gallery was open, so let's see what is there. As much as I know, in the Royal Opera House, it is a theatre where they show the history of Oman, but it was closed due to the pandemic. Now let's see what's inside the Opera Gallery. We are about to reach the entrance of the Opera Gallery. Inside the Opera Gallery, it's mostly like a mall, but there were a lot of things to discover. This is a model of His Majesty Red Rose Flower. This is a stunning handmade gown with a picture of the Opera House. And upstairs there's a huge ground where it is outside the Royal Opera Gallery. Now let's go to Qurum Beach, which is also close to Royal Opera House. This is how the Royal Opera House and the Royal Opera Gallery looks from outside. And on the way to Qurum Beach, we can even see Fun Zone and many other houses too. Now we reached Qurum Beach. Here's how it looks.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life.
We went during the sunset time, so we could even see the sunset and even the beach. There were a lot of seashells on the beach. Here were some. Bye!